Look at this guard bee. Don't know if it's a trainee guard or what. Look at it looking. Switchy little girl, that one. Oh look. They've got to go in a hive because they're too big for that box. Whoa, see that? Oh, someone kung fu'd her. Well, nope, going back on the landing board, back to the ninja stance. Kind of stands there like a praying mantis, waiting for the twitchy one. That, but if I put my hand there, it'll have it. Look at it, twitching. There's some scampy little bees. Anyway, I need to check them, but I've got to go and do a job. There's bees gone into the wall again. Ding dong, ding dong. You'll never guess where. Oh, look at that guard bee, it's looking straight at us. It's like the Lone Ranger, isn't it? Out there on the landing board. That other bee just tapped it. It's like, calm down, Mildred. Go for a flight or something. Maybe it's the heat. Look at it. Oh, off she goes. Perhaps she's from a different hive. Look at this hive. You've got 4 doors open. This one in the middle is open and all, but they ain't realised yet.